Do you want to know the real reason that most people who want to start an agency never get their first client? It's not because they don't know enough. It's because they're usually scared of what happens after someone says yes. Like, what do you actually do for them? How do you deliver results? What if you mess up? I used to think the exact same things, and it stopped me from getting clients and building my business. That was until I found one simple service that takes about 20 minutes to set up, gets results for your clients in days, not weeks, and that clients will happily pay you $197 to $297 a month for, and you don't need any experience to start. Now, I know that sounds almost too good to be true, but over the past 10 years, I've built 3 different 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and the service I'm about to show you is what I'd do first if I was starting over from scratch today. So, here's what we're covering. First, why this is the single easiest service to start with as a beginner. Second, how to find businesses that are ready to pay for it right now. Third, how to set it up in about 20 minutes. And fourth, exactly what to say to land your first client without being salesy or pushy in any way. Let me start with a statistic though that completely blew my mind the first time I heard it. Here goes. 97% of consumers check reviews before choosing a local business. That's right. 97%, which means before someone calls a plumber, before they book a dentist, before they even click a website, they check the reviews. And here's where businesses lose a ton of money in customers. They do the job, the customer is happy, but then that's it. There's no follow-up, no further requests, no system in place whatsoever. So that happy customer just moves on with their day, and the review never happens. Meanwhile, the competitor down the street is stacking new reviews every single week, not because they're a better business, just because they have a system. And all of this leads to what I call reputation rot. While the business owner is busy running their business and doing the actual work, their online reputation is quietly eroding. Every week that they go without getting a new review is another week that a competitor of theirs pulls further ahead. This is even worse if they're already battling a low review score, which in today's day and age means anything that's 4.5 stars or lower. And the worst part is, most of them have no idea it's happening. All this means that when you show up and say, I can fix that automatically, you're not selling them something that they don't want. You're handing them a solution to a problem that they already feel but couldn't quite put their finger on. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. This is the service that I love offering, and it's called reputation management. And there are 3 parts. Step 1 is setup. You build one simple message that goes out automatically after a job is done. You do this once, you're done. Step 2 is automation. Every time the business serves a customer, the message fires on its own. No one has to remember, no one has to do anything manually. This way, nothing ever gets forgotten. Step 3 is results. Reviews start showing up on Google. Their business rating improves. More customers find them as more reviews leads to an increase in SEO and rankings. Your client, the business owner, well, they see all of this happening in real time. So they pay you every single month because it just keeps working. That is the entire service. One system running in the background, producing a result that the client can see. No ads, no funnels, no complicated anything. Just automation doing what manual follow-up never actually got done. Now, before we hop into my computer and I show you the setup, first let me show you who needs this and how to find them in just a couple minutes. Open Google and type in any service business in pretty much any city. It could be a dentist, a plumber, HVAC, landscaper, doesn't matter. Now look at the search results and count the reviews next to each listing. Some are going to have a couple hundred, some might have 12, some have 3. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. Every city, every industry, same pattern. Businesses out there doing good work, but they're invisible on Google because nobody ever built them a system. The ones with low review counts and older review dates, those are your clients. That's reputation rot happening out in the open. Plain sight. Click into one of those listings and look at their most recent review. If it's from 6 months ago, there's no system. 2 years ago, there's definitely no system. That business owner probably thinks they just have bad luck with reviews. But what they don't realize is that with your help, this is completely fixable in about 20 minutes. So you now have a list of real businesses in your city or any city who need exactly what you're about to learn how to build. So let me show you the setup. The software I use for this is called High Level. It's what I run all of my agencies on, and it's what I'd recommend to anyone starting out. I'll put a link in the descriptions below this video where you can grab a free trial. And by the way, when you sign up through that link, you don't have to build any of this from scratch. I've already built all of it for you. You just have to copy and paste it into your account and it's ready to go. But I want to walk you through it so you can see how it works so you actually understand what's running behind the scenes. Inside High Level, you're building what's called a workflow. That's just a fancy talk for some kind of automated sequence. Basically, when something happens, something else happens. In this case, when a business marks a job complete, a review request goes out to that customer automatically. So inside automations, let's create a new workflow, and what we need to do is add a trigger. This is the event that starts the entire sequence. For a service business, the trigger is typically when a job or an appointment is marked as complete. You can also set it to fire a set number of hours after an appointment ends, which works great for businesses using HighLevel for scheduling. Anyway, in this case, we're going to have this automation kick off based on a tag that gets added to the customer automatically. Now we're going to add an action. In this case, we're going to send an SMS. And here's the part that makes the difference between getting ignored and getting reviews every single day: the message. So say this: "Hi, contact first name. It's business owner name from business name. Just checking everything looks good after today. If so, we'd really appreciate a quick review." Then insert the review link. This message is short, it's personal, there's a direct link. You want to write that down. That message is what drives the results. Now, you're going to swap in the client's name and the Google link for each setup, but the structure stays pretty much exactly like that. So hit save. Workflow's live and you're good to go. Now, of course, you can spice this up a little bit if you want to by adding things like logic that detects whether a customer replied or not, as well as some delays. But like I said before, I'm happy to just give this to you so you can just copy this directly into your account when you sign up for a free trial below. Now, all of this takes maybe 20 minutes per client to set up, and most of that is just filling in their details. Now, let me show you what the client actually sees, because this is what makes them want to keep paying every single month. In the first 2 to 4 weeks, reviews start showing up. Real reviews from real customers. The business owner sees their ratings start to climb, and they start seeing new reviews from people that they served just last week. I had a client, a landscaping company, who'd been in business for 11 years, and they had 16 total Google reviews. Well, we set this up on a Tuesday, and by the following Monday, 9 new reviews had come in, after 11 years of barely getting any. The owner texted me and said, "I don't know what you did, but my phone started ringing differently this week." And that's what this service does. It produces a result the client can see and feel within days. That's why they don't cancel. Now let's talk about getting that first client to say yes, because the setup is the easy part. The problem is that most people quit before they even start, before they even get to this screen. Now, the great news here is that you do not need to be a sales expert for this. You just need to say the right thing. So here's exactly what to say when you reach out to a business. "Hey, name, I work with local business type businesses, helping them get more Google reviews automatically. Most businesses I talk to are getting maybe 1 or 2 reviews a month. I can usually get that to 15 or 20 without you doing anything extra. Would it be okay to send over a quick video explaining how it works?" That's the whole message. There's no price, there's no sales pitch, there's no software mentioned, just a result that they already want and a simple request to send them more info. When they say yes, you send a short Loom video. Now, Loom is a free screen recording tool. You just hit record, share your screen, and it sends them a link that they can watch anytime. I call this the 5-minute reputation Loom. Here's how it works. You start off by naming something specific that you noticed about their listing. Something like, "I was looking at your Google profile and noticed your last review was from 8 months ago." Just that one single line immediately separates you from every other generic sales pitch that they've ever received. Then you show them what review growth looks like for a business using this system. Then a quick 60-second screen share of the workflow, pretty much the same one I just showed you. Not every click, just enough to show that it exists, that it's simple, that it runs automatically. And then you close with this: "I charge $197 a month for this. If it gets you even 1 new customer, it pays for itself. Reply back and I can have this set up for you this week." That's it. No sales call, no awkward sales pitch. By the time they watch the video, they've already seen the problem, they've seen the solution, and they've seen the price. The only question left is whether they want it. Now here's where most people overthink it. They wonder why a business would pay them month after month for something that's already set up. But flip it around for a second. That business owner is not paying for your time. They're paying because the reviews just keep coming in. The system keeps running, and the moment that stops, so do the reviews. That's the value. It's not a one-time setup, it's the ongoing results. But let's do the math. 5 clients times $197 a month is $985 a month in recurring revenue. 5 clients. A weekend of work to set up, nearly $1,000 a month recurring. And remember, after the setup, you're not delivering a service every single month. You're just maintaining a system that's already running. 10 clients times $197 a month, well, that's $1,970 a month. 10 clients, nearly $2,000 a month. And here's how you frame the price for any client who hesitates. A plumber in your city probably charges, $250 to $350 for a single service call. 1 new customer from better Google visibility covers your fee and then some. So you can say, if this gets you even 1 new customer a month, it pays for itself. Well, that, my friend, it's not a sales pitch. That's just basic math. But let me be real with you because this matters. Reputation rot is real, but the system doesn't fix a bad business. If a client has terrible service, the automation's still going to send the messages. The results are just going to be slower, and the reviews won't be as strong. This is a system that amplifies what's already there. A good business with no review system becomes a highly reviewed business. That's the sweet spot. So when you're prospecting, you want to look for businesses that actually do good work. 4 stars with 32 reviews and a 2-year-old last entry, well, they're one system away from being the obvious choice in their market. 2 stars and hundreds of reviews is a red flag you probably want to steer clear of. Okay, 2 warnings for you before you go do this. Warning number 1, the biggest risk here, by far, is doing nothing after watching this. Understanding how this works and actually sending the first message are 2 completely different things. The first time you reach out to a business is always the hardest, but it gets easier every time after that. Warning number 2, don't try to sell the software. Your client is not buying high level, they're buying reviews. When they ask to see how it works, you say, I have a system that sends a follow-up message to every customer automatically after the job is done. That's it. They're paying for the outcome. Now, if they happen to ask if the software you're using is high level, then tell them yes. You're not trying to hide this. But what they're paying for is not the software. It's you, your system, and the results that you're going to generate. Here's what I want you to sit with. The number one thing stopping most people from getting their first client isn't a lack of skill or a lack of experience. Usually, it's the fear that once someone says, yes, I want to hire you, let me give you money, you won't know what to do next. Well, you just watched me set this up, start to finish. You saw the message template, you saw the workflow, you saw what the client actually receives. You now know everything you need to get started. So the real question is this. Are you someone who waits until they feel completely ready? Or are you someone who starts anyway because you understand that nobody ever truly feels ready? Because that first client, the one who pays you $197 this week, doesn't care how long you've been doing this. They care whether their reviews go up, and you just learned exactly how to make that happen. Everything I showed you today, I run through one piece of software called High Level. If you want to copy and paste the exact system that I walked you through, the workflow, the templates, the review campaigns, all of it, I'll put a link in the descriptions below this video. That's going to get you access to an extended free 30-day trial, plus my entire agency operating system I call Agency OS, plus a ton of other courses, training, workflows, and bonuses. When you start through that link below, here's what unlocks. You get my pre-built reputation management workflow, 1 click to install it. You get word-for-word outreach scripts for landing your first or next client. There's a 90-day roadmap so you know exactly what to do first, and access to my private community where I answer questions directly. I've used this same platform to build 3 different 7-figure agencies and serve over 1,500 small businesses. And today I do it all with 0 employees. And this is the system that's allowed me to do that. Links in the description whenever you're ready. And if you want the complete picture, how to package this, what to charge, and how to build this into a real agency, I put together a full walkthrough of the entire model, and I've got that linked up in the video right here. So feel free to tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.